Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a laser alarm system. We're going to be using a light dependent resistor and a laser module. So I am going to explain the working principle. The laser module reflects light onto the light dependent resistor, which continuously sends voltage signals to the Arduino. So we can monitor the voltage levels of the light dependent resistor using the Arduino. In our alarm system, the laser module is supposed to reflect the light to the light dependent resistor. So when there is an obstacle between the laser module and the light dependent resistor, then the alarm is going to be triggered. Since the light dependent resistor won't be receiving any light, its voltage is going to drop, which is going to trigger the alarm system. So that's it guys, that is the working principle, the basic working principle. Now we're gonna get to the project straight away. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.